welcome back to another video. Today's video is take 2. I have already recorded this video. As you can see, my nails are done, but can I find the video anywhere on my phone? Can I heck? I've even installed loads of these apps where you can recover deleted videos, pictures, and I can get so many different videos and pictures at what I've deleted over the past few months. But can I find the video that I want? Can I heck? So I've decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my thumb. I'm going to use the dual forms on my thumb, and then I'm going to get my practice hand out. We're going to use paper forms and do some sculpting. So yeah, I'm not going to let it beat me. I'm not going to let it beat me. Most of you probably already seen my first video where I unboxed this Modelones Polygel kit. If you've not seen that video, guys, I shall leave the link for that video at the end of this one. If you want to head over and check it out, you can do. See, in the video, I swatched the polygels, and I did say in the video that I was going to do a set on myself with them, which is obviously what I've done. And now I can't find the video. So the reason I wanted to do a set is because when I swatched them, I didn't use the dual forms, I didn't use the base coat, I didn't use the glitter, the crystals, the file. So yeah, this is why I said in that video that I'll do a set on myself, and then we'll get to use the dual forms and everything and see what they're like. So that's what we're going to do again today. So I think I'm just going to get straight into it, guys, because I don't want this to be too long. I'm also going to finish my nails off with a design. So I'm going to build a nail on my thumb using the dual forms. I'm going to build a nail on my practice hand. I wanted to show you how I did this one. I really like that. Really like that. And I wanted to show you how I did that. So I'm going to show you how I did that on my practice hand. So yeah, that was the reason why I wanted to get the practice hand out as well. So I'm just going to get set up, and then I shall pop back in a minute. So I'm going to start off by applying some nail dehydrator, some acid primer. Now I'm going to apply the Modelones base coat. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. So I've already sized my dual form up. With your dual forms, you want to go slightly bigger because you got to remember, you got to make room for that polygel underneath there. I should have showed you that before I put the base coat on. Yeah, you want to always go slightly, very slightly bigger with your dual forms. So I'm going to be using soft pink, colour 002. And this pink is gorgeous, guys. This is my new favourite polygel for sure. For sure. So I've popped some of this slip solution in Tapered dish. I've got my kitchen roll ready. So I'm just going to clean my brush. And this polygel is not sticky at all. It's really easy to work. You want to make sure you get right up in these sides as well, because if you miss them edges, you're going to get some real weak spots. Make sure you get it even all the way around as well. And you want to flip that over. Put it down. And get rid of any excess that's coming around the edges. And then pop that in the lamp for, in a normal, what I would call an everyday lamp, the big lamp, this polygel cures for 60 seconds. But in this little mini lamp that comes in the kit, it says to cure it for 2 minutes. So I'm going to give it a 2-minute cure. Right, so that has had 2 minutes in the mini lamp. Now all you want to do is squeeze it, wiggle it, and it will pop off. Just like that. Here we are. So now I'm going to give that a wipe with some isopropyl alcohol or some gel residue wipe off solution. Just get rid of that tacky layer. Don't forget to do underneath as well. There you go, guys, there's your extension. So now we're going to file that into shape. Cover that up. So I'm going to be using the 180, which is the smoother side. I'm just going to whisk on the cuticle area first. See, with these jewel forms, guys, most of the work is pretty much done. Once you're happy with the shape, then you just want to skip over the top. When you're filing long nails like this, guys, make sure that you're holding that nail. Especially long nails, they really need that support. So, there we are. That is how you use the jewel forms that come in the kit. Nice, quick, easy for people that's just starting out. Really quick, easy way to do an extension. Perfect. Now we're going to get the practice handout. As you can see, I've already popped the paper form on, and this was an absolute nightmare. Let me tell you guys, nightmare. Does not want to stick to the silicone. I should have put some tape around the finger, really. That's what I should have done, but hey ho, you live and learn. So that is, I'm hoping you can see that, that is on nice and straight. I'm going to apply a coat of the Modelones base coat. I'm going to apply that to the natural nail, which obviously is not a natural nail, but we're pretending that is a natural nail. Go with the flow, guys. Roll with me. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. So, Now we're going in with the Modelones Soft Pink, colour 002. Right guys, I'm going to take this off because I'm never going to be able to file it with that form on. So one thing for sure, I shall never delete footage again, will I? Because this has been nothing but a nightmare doing it on this hand. Nightmare. So, I'm using my metal file, which is a 180 grit. And I'm going to be going round this smile line just to make it more crisp. Now we're going to be using the Modelones Clear, which is 005. Now you're going to have to bear with me with this, guys, because I am struggling. So you just want to put a tiny bit on for now. So drag this down to the length that you want it. So now I've got an old paintbrush and I'm going to be sticking this glitter, what come in the kit, into that uncured clear polygel. And I'm just going to, I don't want there to be loads of glitter, I want it to be quite sparse so it's still a clear nail. And then once I'm happy with that, I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 2 minutes and that will hold that all in place. There we go. Put that in the lamp for 2 minutes. So now I'm going to encapsulate all that glitter and create some strength. And this Modelones Clear Polygel, guys, is super clear. I could not believe how clear. Just make sure that you get right up into them side walls as well. You can't really see too well when you're using clear. Just make sure that you're getting right up into there. Keep checking it from all different angles as well, that'll help. Just see if you're missing anywhere. Pop that in the lamp to cure for 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna remove that tacky layer. Get rid of this stupid form before I go crazy. Give it a bit of a pinch as well. Make sure you've got a bit of a C-curve going on. That feels good to get rid of that form, you know. Get rid of the tacky layer underneath. Look how pretty that glitter is. That is gorgeous. Love that. So there we are. That has been filed and buffed, and now that is ready for some design work. I was going to do the design at the end of this video, but this video has already got way longer than what I was hoping, to be honest. So I'm going to do the design in my next video, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. I just want to say this Polygel is really, really nice to work with. The pink is definitely my go-to nail bed colour, and the clear is super clear. I'm loving that glitter as well. That is really, really pretty. Can't wait to get some top coat on that and see what it looks like. So I'm going to end this video here, guys. So keep your eyes peeled for the next part where I'm going to do the design work on my nails and finish off this nail. I want to say a massive, massive thank you to Modelones for sending me this kit. I really, really like it. Really happy with it. I shall leave the link for it in my description box below, so if you want to go over and check it out, you can do. And yeah, that's everything for this video, guys. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.